more expensive than I thought it was going to be. Okay, so I got these buckets to collect the sap in from my maple tree. And these are lids you put on the bucket after you attach it to the tree. That keeps stuff from getting into the sap, like leaves and sticks and stuff. These are called spiles. This part goes into the tree. The sap comes out at this part here and drips down into the bucket. Just going to try to figure out how to put the hook that hooks onto the bucket here, like that. Attach it to this, which will hang from the tree, and then this will hang off of the spile, and the sap will drop into the bucket. So I got the spile here. I'm going to try to attach the hook to the spile. It's got these different holes on it. There's a hole here, a hole here, goes right through. I'm pretty sure this hook goes through this hole, and the lid has a rod that goes through it, and I think that the rod will go through that second hole there. So the lid will stay attached like that. So I think this hook goes on here like this. This has to go through that hole. So just kind of like that. I think that's right. No, yeah, like this. Yeah, like that. Because the bucket will hang off of this part here. That hook will go through. Hangs off of there like that. Smash. Let's see what it looks like all put together. And the sap will drip down between here, and the lid is on it. Okay, so here is my big maple tree in the back that I'm going to tap. Now it says to tap the side that gets the most sun. The sun rises over there. It's over there now. It'll set over there. So I'm going to put 3 taps on it, this side. Here, like one there, one there, one there probably. Now I gotta go to the shed, see if my drill works. I got a drill bit here to drill into the tree. 7/16 drill bit, because when I put the spile into the tree, it'll be the right size for the spile. I can't show you where I keep my key hidden. It's a secret. Drill, drill, drill. Here we go. Looks like it worked. It says to go not straight in, kind of a little cocked at an angle a little, so the sap will drip down. Okay. Forgot to mark it off. I'm only supposed to go about 1.5 inches deep, so it's probably about there. Looks like right there. Looks probably about good there. I'm gonna go get the bucket because this sap is coming out. Okay, I'm gonna put the spile into the tree. There. Gently tap it. There we go. I'm gonna hang the bucket. Right there. It's kind of crooked. Hopefully when it fills up a little, it'll settle out. buckets on there. Good. And we have collecting sap. I'll put the rest of the buckets on. I got 2 more to put on. Okay, so I got the buckets in there. They're a little bit janky. I'm really worried about this one here. Doesn't seem to be lining up very well. It's still dripping into the bucket, but it's all cockeyed because there's like a bump here. It's not resting on it very well. I didn't think about that. Okay, well, that's what it is. This one is far enough apart. Not supposed to put them too close together. I got them all going here. All producing. That's good. We got quite a bit in there. Tapping the maple tree. Let's see how it goes. Well, the sun is setting. It's gotten a lot colder out. It's supposed to slow down when it gets cold. Well, it's supposed to stop, I think, at night. Like the dripping. But still seems to be dripping pretty good. We got a good amount of sap in there. So I don't think this will fill up overnight. Hopefully not. We'll see.
The next day.
So I came home from work today and this is what I found. I guess the wind just blew them off. So whatever they collected yesterday is all gone. Except for that one bucket stayed up. There's a good amount in there. It's a shame that I lost all that though. Guess I'll try to put them in again.
Whatever will become of our intrepid heroes? Find out next time on Chance of No Trade.